baga no abakra obedua yes city or parliament no once almost majority for na muslim majority na momba omunim baby omuwo. It's not that the majority is not there. They know where the majority is.
Welcome to this episode of the Political Round with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusianfo Kwame A+, they say no, or your PR ma Parliament and I said, Kwame A+, your PR. Oh, Kwame A+, before you entered Parliament, every Saturday in you are on UTV. And I say, and I wear say, and I wear any ye, and one cabe and say, what casasa I say, who call me A+ no, as I dream one with Tremono, I dream saying, oh, bia, what we are see with Biano, who are drinking in now. That was the kind of impression that Kwame A+ created. Kwame A+ knew the solution to everything. He knew where every problem was coming from. He knew how to solve it. He has a marking scheme for marking who is doing well, who is not doing well. Who be president of Ghana? Now, president, so one of the sure ways I'll bet me a every part. I said you go through Parliament. Besides Ghana force, they should give you the mandate. Go for more Gomwa Central Honomo. And I say Gomwa East also. They should give you the mandate for you to go and represent them in Parliament. The people gave you the mandate. Amun say Kwame A+ jama wo magic wand enti utime o si ade yo ensa na kan ochim o si ade yo. And whatever you touch, whatever Kwame A+ should touch there, solutions in kwa. And they gave you the go ahead. They voted for you. As somebody say, the reason we vote for leader is for the leaders to make the sacrifices we cannot make. That is why we vote for them. Pay them handsomely, reward them, so that all of us cannot be in Parliament. And you know, it's a mrasie bedroom or something like that. Whatever the true word is for Parliament. So we voted for the likes of Kwame A+ and the siblings to go and represent us. So what is Kwame A+ say? Say Juma no easy. Yeah, easy. The same way, outside now you're outside, you're coach. Out to me coach, you know. They say, football field, but ball na entry. Play the ball. Now you see, Kwame A+. You are somebody that a lot of us look up to. We appreciate your reasoning and all those things, but do not take us say in as a baby. Now in the chamber of Parliament, there is majority and minority. And yes, sir. Yes. Now, for more majority side now, for more minority side now, they all serve on committees. Everybody, both majority and minority now, must serve on committees. And if you remember, when the appointments committee was sitting and Parliament was sitting at the same time, I thought they be the main chamber more, you won't see the members of the appointment committee because you know where they are. Appointment committee no. Don't be a majority and minority. And assembly na Kwame A+ so can say the reason why members of the majority side are not being seen in Parliament, they say they have committee meetings. Which committee sits when the main chamber is in session? Kwame A+. Kwame A+. Which committee of Parliament sits when the main chamber of Parliament is sitting? Committee Ben, sir. Kwame A+. A dream. You are dream. You know, we all have the brain some. Just say, you know, in this guy, but my idea campaign, they will vote for us to become members of Parliament. Some of us don't even see ourselves ending up in Parliament. But if I say why a privilege, I was Kakrabia, a was Kakra, was car, what you mean campaign, printed t-shirts, and when you're busy, in comfort to Obama, we after that say, we are motivational speaker based on and also praying. Come here, plus get to work. It's a committee argument, a fully flat cry. Don't even start with. Assembly say, many of the MPs on the majority side, NDC MPs, omubuefu. I don't know omubuefu say omunya appointment. Yeah. That is the truth. They are angry because they have not gotten appointments. Most of the women in parliament, they were promised 30% of appointments by John Mahama. They did not even achieve 15%.
Omunim say majority for no we were committee mu ha, we were agenda for ye we were ha. And you know, who create impression you about say majority for member parliament, you're making a mistake. Yeah, into adwuma no sane ye hunu no eso sense. But wo ye we nyina wa ha no ye twen wo fie. Constituency for so twen. Adwuma kese. Constituency die no kra de ehu. Hono na obi person ware ba ko ka na yere ho a wo se wo diskako. I was a winya akuma bi. Me for instance no ade a medwen ho nyina ne se ma solve obi problem ama no. It makes me so happy. Intina meti the people's project. It was just to help people. It me who to say a issue. Me what was somebody I want to solve it. So long as me who say ade we ebe boa nipa na want to do it. But parliamentary adwuma edin. Aketua no so nye.
Enyo.
Yes.
It's
too much. And yeah, we no now could have 15,000.
What you have to do, baby?
And yet, because me 10 over for 2020. But and one of these days, I'm going to make my bank statement public. So me 10 over for 2020. It means that in 2020, I was making a lot of money. The amount of money I was making in 24 hours, no, it also say I could a parliament in a month. And this, I'm talking about my savings, like.
Otiasie. And many of the NDC MPs are angry. And almost parliament in there. Those of them also who have shops at the various markets, they go and open their shops. Some of them go outside the country to go and bring foods to come and sell. You come here plus, don't come and try and say, oh, you come and explain things that are not explainable. Now the second thing come here plus can say, salary no extra. I said when I come here plus person. You are going home with 15,000 Ghana cedis. Old currency, 150 million. That is the money you are taking home every end of month. How many Ghanaians, how many of the people who vote for you even make half of that money? University lecturers, research, academia, how many of them are able to get 15,000 Ghana cedis at the end of the month to take home for their salaries, to feed their families? When you have fuel coupons, travel allowances, sitting allowances. You are able to get a car on loan. Now, do you know how hard it is to even get a loan for a car? Your government is giving you loan and is paying part. I think you pay 70%, government pays 30%. How many of workers in Ghana, they say, have that leisure, say they can go in for a car, government will pay some part, they will pay some part. Even import duty to exempt for nurses, Cries, my government. Asim kesepa, my government. And Kwame Plus is saying what salary no. Before you went to parliament, you need to know the amount of money paid parliamentarians. The money you were taking in 2020, more than. And then who sent you? Obi Sumao. Who has sent you? Say Obi Kacho say continue parliament. Now you think say former Minister of Education, Dr. Educhum, now he was making in US Nebini. You see, it takes the love for your country, for your compatriot, to want to serve them. That is what most Ghanaian politicians do not understand. You do not go to parliament because you want to make money. And to call other countries more, it is people who have served the nation in other capacities. Okay, people who have made a good life for themselves, who contest to become senators and legislators. And your career most of the time. And your career. And to call USA, you see some of the senators are army vets and all those things. Some of them are billionaires, businessmen. And as for salary, you people should not talk about it. Workers came, you say you give them 10%. Who got now say 15,000 every month. My friend, go and sit somewhere. Now we have other serious things to think about. This has been a political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.